Good evening, India. Welcome back to DJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines.
BJP's Giriraj Singh defends Hindu Yatra alone. Union Minister Giriraj Singh is leading the controversial Hindu Swabhiman Yatra starting on October 18, 2024. The event promoting Hindu pride faces criticism from opposition parties, with even BJP distancing itself. Bihar BJP chief Dilip Jaiswal clarified that the Yatra is Singh's independent effort, not party-backed. He stressed the BJP's commitment to inclusivity, brushing off concerns about secularism. As Singh moves forward, the internal split within BJP becomes more apparent. Jaiswal also criticized Tejasvi Yadav for his absence during floods, highlighting political rivalries.
Modi government raises DA, Nitish plans early salaries. The Modi government has announced a 3% dearness allowance DA hike, bringing it to 53%, offering financial relief to central government employees before Diwali. Arrears for July to September will also be included in October salaries. Meanwhile, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar plans to release October salaries early, giving state employees time for festival preparations. However, board and corporation employees face uncertainty over timely payments. National Health Mission (NHM) workers awaiting compensation from a past work boycott remain affected. The initiatives aim to provide relief during the festive season.
ED raids spark political allegations in Jharkhand. With Jharkhand's election approaching, the Enforcement Directorate (ED) has conducted pre-election raids, raising suspicions about political motives. Raids occurred just before the Election Code of Conduct came into effect on October 15, 2024. Opposition parties including Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, JMM and Congress questioned the timing, accusing the Election Commission of acting under BJP influence. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma's prior knowledge of election dates further fueled the controversy. This pattern of ED activity before elections has also occurred in other states like Haryana. Bihar toxic liquor deaths raise prohibition debate. Despite Bihar's prohibition on alcohol, illegal liquor consumption has once again claimed lives, with 8 deaths reported in Siwan and Saran districts. Opposition leaders, including RJD's Rishi Mishra, criticized the NDA government for its ineffective enforcement of the ban. Mishra highlighted Bihar's weak medical infrastructure, which struggled to identify the cause of death. Congress leaders further accused the government of corruption, citing illegal liquor trade. The incident reignited debate over the prohibition policy's effectiveness, with growing concerns over governance and law enforcement failures.
Political tensions rise after Bihar liquor deaths. Bihar alcohol prohibition policy has come under scrutiny after 8 people died from consuming toxic liquor in Saran and Siwan districts. The incident has sparked renewed political debate, with opposition leaders criticizing the government for failing to enforce the ban. RJD's Rishi Mishra blamed the ruling NDA for ineffective governance, while Congress leaders accused police of facilitating illegal alcohol trade. Despite the ban since 2016, such incidents persist, raising concerns about corruption and ineffective law enforcement. The tragedy highlights ongoing challenges in implementing prohibition policies effectively.